Picture this. You just signed up for an ad platform that'll give you access to everyone in your state, even online, nationally. But only 3% of these people are ready to purchase your product or service right now. Could you pick that 3% out of the crowd? How could you tell who is ready now and who would be ready in a month, a year, or maybe even never? You see, that's the biggest problem I see business owners making in their online sales efforts. They market to everyone in hopes of finding a needle in a haystack. But what if, instead of marketing to everyone, you were able to pick out the exact ideal customer for your product or service when they were ready to buy, and only appear in front of people who are actively looking for your company and need your product or service right now? How valuable would that be for your business? How much easier would it be to add new customers month after month? See, what you're going to learn today is the 3 key forces plaguing small business owners, the secret weapon all 7-figure business owners know, and how to find who's in market for your services, the simple 5-step full funnel system to convert complete strangers into lifelong customers, and how you can deploy this in your business starting today. Hi, my name is Nelson Sparks. I'm the founder and CEO of Collateral Growth. Our mission is to help small business owners gain a competitive advantage and have predictability and consistency with their customer acquisition efforts. I'm a fellow marketer and small business owner. I've managed over $100 million in ad spend. I'm the lead gen and e-commerce conversion master. Now, who's this for? It's for the small business owners who want a predictable and consistent system for generating new customers. Business owners who are looking to scale to multiple 6- and 7-figure levels using online advertising. And people who are open to new, modern methods of customer acquisition that make their lives easier. And who is this not for? Anyone who doesn't own a small to medium-sized business, okay? Anyone not looking to grow their income by an extra 6 figures within the next 6 to 12 months. Or people who are stuck in information gathering mode and not prepared to take action and get results. Or the business owners who are just simply closed-minded and not open to increasing product awareness and sales using Google. Now, what makes this difference? Simply, it cuts through the BS. If you watch until the end, I'm going to give you a special gift, a limited time offer to save on the complete Google Ads Income Accelerator program. Additionally, just for sticking around, I'm going to give you a free copy of 5 things you should do before ever paying for online ads, as my gift to you just for sticking around. Now, what I'm about to share with you is going to change how you view your entire online customer acquisition process. Do you feel frustrated using the same prospecting tactics day after day, mailers, cold calling, networking, events, seminars, or relying on referrals? Annoying not having a predictable, repeatable way to get awareness of your product or services? Do you feel struggling, like you've got no freedom in your life and you want that? Like you're working way too many hours, you're close to burning out, you're wondering if there's a way to work smarter and not harder. Or you're frustrated dealing with customers that are not qualified, or worse yet, they're just broke. Or perhaps you're making good money now, but just want to reach the full potential you know you're capable of. If that's the case, then you're in the right place, and you're going to love what I have to share with you today. Generalism. This is the first factor affecting most small business owners today. This is a massive epidemic, widespread throughout the industry, where you can serve anyone you can. You have no idea exactly who your customers are, but you have to pick a focus. This is essential if you want to differentiate yourself and have a real competitive advantage. I'm talking about identifying a small group of customers who all share similar pains and problems which you can solve. The specialty, it always gets paid more than the generalist. Small business owners are also suffering from poor marketing message. People are bombarded with messages these days, seeing an average of 5,000 ads per day. Now, what makes you think your LinkedIn article, Facebook post, or direct mail piece is going to get read even? You need a message that's going to resonate with your prospects. It clearly articulates your product or service's value and positions you as the expert and authority that can solve their painful problems or get them to their desired situation. People only care about 2 things today. 1, a problem they have but don't want anymore, or 2, a result they want but aren't getting. Creating a message that resonates with their pain points, you'll have ideal prospects coming to you. This is how you dominate your market. As I entered the digital marketing industry, it quickly became clear no one had a predictable and consistent system to get customers for small to medium business owners. We were all doing hope marketing. Right? It goes like this. You build your campaigns in Google based on what your friends did or the latest guru told you, leaving your success largely up to chance. If you don't have a predictable, repeatable, rinse and repeat system to get customers, you don't have a business. Now, let's get down to business and show you how not to fall victim to these 3 forces and evolve. The secret weapon of all 7-figure small business owners. Now, when you start a new business, I'm sure you've noticed that people fall into one of two of these categories. They're the grinders, right? People who add new customers sometimes, but spend way too much time prospecting, making far too little, repeating the same mistakes over and over. Or the rainmakers, people who are absolutely crushing it, making 7 figures, building wealth while spending less time experimenting. What is it that allows some business owners to make millions and build their dream business while others struggle to attract qualified customers? I realize that rainmakers have 2 things present while the grinders have 1, maybe, if any. The truth is, if you have both of these things present in your small business, it becomes a very easy and predictable to add an extra $50,000 to $100,000 in revenue this year. The 2 things you need for success: high quality converting and targeted traffic of your ideal customers, right? That's easy. And 2, an automated funnel that will consistently refill and nurture the high quality traffic to create more. Let's show you exactly how to get a predictable system for generating high value clients in your small business starting today using Google. The only 2 things really that matter, right? It's generating that traffic and closing that traffic. There's 2 key metrics that you really need to focus on: the cost to generate a prospect and the cost to acquire a prospect. Now, you're going to know these numbers down to the dollar and the day. So what does this system look like? The simple 5-step full funnel system to turn strangers into lifelong customers. Now, this was the old way, right? You had LinkedIn, Facebook, seminars, workshops, family, friends, workshops, all this stuff like this, right? You contacting all these people equals not enough customers for the time you put into it, exhausting, and it's inconsistent, right? There's no consistency here. The new way, right? Utilizing the full funnel system: YouTube, display, shopping, search, and then remarketing to increase the lifetime value. This is the full funnel system. It filters out the bad apples. So you're leveraging full funnel steps to create awareness, develop brand trust, nurture the relationship, close the prospects, and increase lifetime value. It looks like this, where you get brand awareness, you get brand identity to reinforce that, you get interest and support, you desire and reach, and then you convert those sales. You're generating that awareness, you're building the trust and building the brand loyalty, increasing the desire to convert and buy your product, and then you're ultimately able to also remarketing since you've developed the loyalty with these customers. And we do this by target and call out your ideal customer, and we speak about their pain points in a rich, vivid detail. We make them consciously believe that you have the solution to their problem and desired situation. We then prove we can solve their problem by solving part of the problem for free via infographics, native content, or engaging video. We then roll out the red carpet and ask them to purchase with specials and unique compelling offers. Then we really hook them in with remarketing efforts to increase lifetime value and loyalty, providing a full funnel system from awareness to building trust to pitching the offer to closing the deal and ultimately increasing the lifetime value of these customers. The result of it, executing this correctly, you will have consistent sales with highly qualified, high-value customers who want and need your products now. A true full funnel system to drive paying customers in one platform. You will finally have a Google machine that will propel your business and income forward with predictability and consistency. This is how you break out of that 95% and create a ruthless competitive advantage. Now, can you honestly say you have a competitive advantage right now, especially when it comes to acquiring customers? It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that are the most adaptable to change. Charles Darwin. Now, if all this did get you an increase in sales of 10% consistently month over month, help you get a competitive advantage over other SMBs, generate you an extra $50,000 to $100,000 over the next year, and give you the ability to do things you love and enjoy instead of spending all your time worrying about your Google ads or online marketing. So if you're ready to adapt to this already changing environment and you want to scale your business with predictability, then you really only have 2 choices to make, right? Go it alone, try a bunch of marketing gimmicks and spend thousands of dollars and years trying to figure it out on your own, or follow a proven and battle-tested program from an ex-Googler and client acquisition expert who only works with high-paying prospects individually. Here's how the process works. You can get your feet wet with the break-in course, right? It's specific and custom-tailored for beginners to hold your hand from setup of the accounts through your first campaigns all the way through remarketing your products. Now, who is this for? It's for the business owner who want a predictable system for generating new customers, right? Business owners who want to scale to 6 and 7 figures, and those people who want more customers, higher AOV, or more fee-paying clients, right? They also understand that you need to put a little skin in the game, and you aren't afraid to invest in yourself and your business, but you have limited resources. Right? Who is this not for? Anyone who thinks Google Ads doesn't work. Anyone not serious about growing their income by an extra 5 to 6 figures within the next 12 months. People who are stuck in information gathering mode and not prepared to take action and get results. And then those people who are just closed-minded. Now, what most of our clients, they opt for option 2. This is where we really begin working on creating the full funnel system. Google Ads Income Accelerator program. The Accelerator course covers everything in Google Ads Dive-In course, along with bonus modules. Expands into advanced search, shopping, YouTube, and display courses to develop full funnel understanding, and offers additional value with Google Analytics, Google Optimize, and Google Data Source bonus courses included. For a select few, there's also a third option to work directly with me. Word of warning though, due to the nature of that service, we only take on 4 clients each month for our consulting package. If you're interested, just apply directly. Okay, now, what others are saying about this? Look at what we've done, right? Nelson is an absolute beast, expert in his field, invaluable knowledge resource. Highly recommend Nelson. Right? Nelson and his team are extremely kind and easy to work with. They have great experience and extremely knowledgeable in what they do. I would recommend Collateral Growth to everyone I come across needing a professional ad agency. These are just some of the experienced clients that we've worked with that have been exasperated by the results that they've gotten from the Collateral Growth Income Accelerator program. Now all you need to do is click below to sign up for the Google Ads Income Accelerator program to start developing your company's competitive advantage. Apply now. We'll see you inside.